Okay, my name is Kelana Putra bin Muhammad. My FB name also Kelana Putra bin Muhammad. My career as a professional is a mechanical engineer. My previous project is gas district cooling in Putrajaya, GDC 1, GDC 2, and GDC 3. And currently on a long vacation, not long vacation because of heart attack. I'm a survivor of heart attacks, just undergoing 2 stents in my heart last month, 1 month I think. So still in the medications. Then after that, a lot of things have to change, body size, lifestyle, or whatsoever lah. So that's it. That is about me lah. And then currently in ADCMY, much more like silent reader, not like 2020 or 2021. Since I just remember last time, 2020 and 2021, if I'm not post one knife per day, it's like something happened. It's not right. I must post something. And then maybe the admin and the moderator saw a lot of my name, and then I the one who automatically my post is automatically approved. So no need to wait for admin or moderators approval last time lah. Okay. So talking about Gear Evo. In 2020, in 2021, 2022, not much shop or company that bring EDC things. Okay, I just remember last time when we want to buy Leatherman, we have to bought from USA, right? Leatherman or any other knife. But since in 2020, maybe because of the COVID and all of us staying at home, nothing much to do, you got your salary, what hobby that you want to carry? So everybody looking for a new hobby. Everybody looking for things that, we might be boring at home, right? So Gear Evo and a few others shops been open. Okay, I just remember last time. In 2020, I think maybe lah, I'm the one who the first or second or third customer come to their shop before Gear Evo is operating from their home, from their house. Cik Din lah, Cik Hasanuddin. And then when I come here, the shop is not like this. It's very small, just in front of there. And then they just started setting up the cash machine. And Haris was there. Haris and Hadi, the two twins who take care of the shop, is there. And then I want to buy one buck knife. I asked Haris what type of steel, blah blah blah, a few things lah, you know lah, as a buyer. He did, because of, I think he's quite new. He couldn't understand whatever that I'm asking. I said, sorry, I don't know. And then I just shouting at him, apa you tak tahu you buka kedai? I just shouting at them. So Haris is like shocked because apparently he was, I think 17 or 18 like that age, just finish their school, want to help their father, and then because of maybe because of using the stairs, yalah, then I said, okay, Haris, your name is what? Haris. Okay, this is how come this thing? How come this thing? How come this thing? And he cannot answer that one. Okay, truly, all my knife come from number one peracun last time, Dani Mokhtar. There, Dani. When I saw his video, and then he did mention where to buy. This is Spyderco, blah blah. Last time I'm a fanboy of Spyderco. So every Spyderco I want to collect. And Dani show, this blah 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 blah, and then you buy it at Gear Evo. Last time Gear Evo, I think a few shop also selling by from at homes, and then not much physical store. Then the good part of Gear Evo last time, when you want to educate your wife, you can deal with their cash register machines operator there. The can we put 30 ringgit from 379 ringgit? Because bila wife tanya, coming home, what do you buy? I buy knife. How much? 30 ringgit. This is the receipt. Gear Evo can. I think Yusri Tiki Taka also know about that, right? This part is real, okay? If you last time we want to educate because sometimes wife you can bought her any bags, shoes, 300, 400, 500. But when we come to knife or multi-tools, more than 100, you makan tak pisau. How to want to educate? You have to plan, meaning that slowly. So deal with your Evo staff, just return at the, until your wife said, okay. My wife been educate, and then after that, he deal with Hadif last time to surprise me with one Kaiser knife. I just, hey, come, we go to Gear Evo. Why? Oh, pergi there. And then also he bought 900 ringgit Benchmade also from here. 900, not 90 bucks. That is how you educate. In Malaysia, beras kita beli mah. Alright? So, good things about Gear Evo is it's go up and downs with all the EDC members. All EDC members. Last time, I think everybody like to post. Nowadays, a few names that everyday post, keep quiet maybe because of busy, they change their lifestyles. But like I say, this is the last 3 months ago, before I've been heart attack, I call Adam, simpankan this utility Elementum from Gear Evo. So, not saying that always buy here, but once you become affiliate members of Gear Evo, it will, what we say last time, Dani, Tiki Taka, and everybody said, once you come in from the door, until you tak beli some things, you tak boleh pintu keluar. Unless somebody, if a Muslim, azan kuat-kuat, then you can go out. You can say, oh, that is the exit door. Last time. A lot of things. I think Gear Evo, with all members of EDC MY, especially Sharin, our admin, it go up and down together. We saw Gear Evo from small until they high, reach up to the skies, and then struggling and whatsoever. So until now, 10 years, right? Happy 10 years anniversary to Gear Evo. And we hope that another 10 years or so, it keeps serving the EDC MY members. And then for sure, my buying experience with them is so much, a lot of buying experience with them. And then until one time, if the things is so hot, then we can call, Adam, can keep one. I think Sky also do like that one. So, okay, that's it. That is the buying experience with Gear Evo. But after all, before that, I got a few item from Scrap Mart. Okay. Okay, this one, 3. Okay, since Sahrin here. Scrap mode, this one is a NUC. This one is a... Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the hook. Hook. Okay, from script mode. Alright, hook. So, the quickest. Okay, EDCMY. 3 question, EDCMY for EDCMY and Gear Evo. What years EDCMY ditubuhkan? Bon. 2015. Tuan, right. Ambil gambar. Okey, okey Bon, gambar. Okey, jap. Okey, gambar sikit. Okey. Okey. Number 2. Name 2 moderator of EDCMY. Okay, good. Kaiser, okay, good. Encik Kaiser, betul. Correct. SS, alright. It's a NUC from, okay. Okay, thank you. And the last.
Ni bukannya ubat dalam
No. That one is a pill. All from scrap mode. Boleh tengok dekat IG scrap mode. Is a NUC. Macam-macam boleh buat. Is a high punya text punya ni. Okay. The last question. Bila Gear Evo buka kedai kat sini? What year Gear Evo open? Buka kedai di sini. Gear Evo buka kedai. Bukan? Betul lah. Ni. This is a good for you also. I pun ada. Sebab kita sakit jantung dulu.
Thank you.